I'm Jeff with McGard, and today we're going to be demonstrating a basic outboard motor lock installation. First thing we're going to do is remove the factory nut from the unit. Next, we're going to apply some locking adhesive to the threads. Next thing to do is to apply the lock by hand, leaving the factory washer in place. From here, we will engage the key into the lock. And we're going to set the lock to a torque setting recommended by the motor manufacturer. In this case, it is 50 foot-pounds. And that's it. McGard outboard motor locks, an inexpensive way to protect your valuable outboard motor from theft.